Okay.
Wow.
Ugly prospector here. I am at a undisclosed location, only because I don't know the name. White Mountain National Forest on the old Tunnel Brook. And we are here. There's Megan and Daryl, and we've got the two kids. This is a lot of, right through here is where that the flood came through and took out just a whole bunch. I'm going to show you. We got, first though, got the bare essentials, you know what I'm saying? To have a good day. And oh, can't forget that. Yep. Okay. I have an old strap on this thing, and it's the second time it's broken because I'm a dummy. But anyway, regardless of that, I'm going to turn this back on in a minute when I get down over this lump.
Bunches of iron. See, someone was playing around. All driftwood. I mean, it's just unbelievable to think this was something else. So Jeremy's down there hunting for his spot for his Green Mountain gold trap.
That's not your normal kind of cold, that's real cold.
Right on a real sharp inside corner. As Jeremy just said, it sounds like a spot that was ready made for us. Getting his trap all ready to rock. Whoop. That would have been on candid camera right there. But this is just incredible. The washout. It just keeps going. See, like, it's like half sand. And you can see where the road used to go. It's crazy. Amazing. Amazing, the power of water. Some more. I mean, you can't really tell, but this is like a legit 4-foot drop. What a beautiful sound. Definitely puts in perspective the power of water.
Okay, I'll do it for you. Oh, you don't want me to do it? You're telling me that one's for Rigby? Okay. This one's for Rigby.
Oh, Rigby.
Daryl says there's gold in it. We'll find out.
It's got a good flow going.
Hope it's not going too fast. I feel like I gotta just trust it to go with it. You know what I mean? Because gold is gold.
Trust in the Green Mountain gold trap.
But it is moving faster than what we usually set it as. That is for sure.
I'm going to pan that.
And there are some really cool colored rocks. And I'm literally just in the same little hole I started.
Well, let's see what happens.
Alright guys, we found a great spot out on the Tunnel Brook today. Got a little hole going there with Megan. I'm going to bring you over there in just a sec. Jacob's digging probably right where he should be, but it's a nice swimming hole. He's moving a lot of rock. Just wanted to show you guys what we're looking at here. And definitely the storm zone when it all came down through here. Anyway, I'm going to take you for a little walk over here and see if we can't say hi to Megan and And Ariana. And there's Obi. Hi, Obadobes. Hi. Hi, Obadobes. Where's Daryl? Where's Daryl? He always wants to say hi. Daredevil, say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Right? I'm too busy looking for gold, Dad. Okay, let me try to get in here without falling. We got the Green Mountain Gold Trap set up today. Really well, I might add. It is really moving faster than I'm used to, but I think we're gonna find we like it a lot. I'm gonna get in there so you can get a close-up, but this is the hole we're working. This dam was partially built, but you know, we helped it along today. Good little chunk, and it's on a downhill as well. All the way down through there. Cool rocks. Nice stuff in there. And then let me get down here so we can see it. Go over. There's a lot of black in there. Alright guys, we reset it a little bit. I think that helped. I'm going to try to zoom in a little so you can hear me. I was trying to do it up close and it was way too hard, but it's moving, and it's moving in the direction I like better. I don't know. You notice, I mean, we're right on this bend. Right on it. Right after that. And I'm thinking we may come out of the hole a little bit and try up in here a little, right along this edge. But right now Megan's digging, gosh, she's probably at least 2.5 feet, I'd say, down. Yeah. 2.5 feet? Probably 2.5 feet down. And I told her I was going to make this rated PG, so I won't be filming anything, you know, too crazy anytime soon. I'd hate to get myself in trouble. Anyway, and if I did, then I would go talk to HD Shovelhead about how to take care of that and remedy it. Anyway, we'll talk to you later.
For lunch and try again.
That's true, I forgot about lunch. We always forget about lunch.
Someone already got a partial fire started for us.
If Joseph is listening to this, next time I'm bringing food, brother, and you're eating.
That's right.
It's not because I don't eat. It's because I don't think. I'm too excited. You know?
Well, Obi is just too poop to poop. If you can spy him.
Going real slow because what I have seen around here is so small. I'm kind of afraid of losing it. My glasses are dirty, so I'm doing the best I can, and Megan might even finish.
Well, and your glasses aren't even on your face.
That's what I'm saying. They're dirty. They're dirty. I can't see anything out of them. So I took them off. I'm not. Yeah, that one in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely is.
What's right next to it?
I'm not sure.
It's not moving.
Well, that I thought was the crystal-y thing, but I can't tell it all my glasses on.
It's not moving.
If that was a piece of gold, I might have to... There might be some screaming, but I don't think it is. It is pretty heavy, though. Well, there's a little speck. I see a speck right there in the middle.
Oh, yeah? I can see it.
Let's go real slow to that, because they are small, but hold on. Let me see if I can slow down just a little.
It's hard to see it.
Yeah, I'll get it back for you. I'll see it in a second.
Tried doing a little zoom, but I can see it right there in the middle.
All right, let me just move this stuff back so it's out of here. Hold on, Mike. Just... All right. See if we can get it in the shade if it makes a difference, maybe. Can you see that or no? It's right here.
So I can't tell
Here.
if it's
Let me see.
being seen in the camera angle or not.
All right, so this is what happens when you use sunscreen or bug spray or anything in your pan. And we found, I don't know, 3, 4, or 5 specks in there and a chunk of something that we're still not sure
What that is.
what that is. We're gonna find out. I mean, it's the only thing that stayed in the pan.
Look at that,
Anyway,
sticking together.
but this is also what we found after. So watch out. Watch out. Okay. Yeah. What I am going to attempt here is nothing short of a miracle of technology. I'm hoping. And I just got into some clay over there. So I'm gonna kind of show you. Get with some of these rocks. I don't have to worry about that. I always look at everything just in case, because until I find the mother lode and know right where it's at, boy, I try to look at everything. But I try to break up that clay really well, because, man, it just grabs right a hold of the little bit you got, and you will lose it. So I just try to get the big stuff out, and I try to keep that from packing together again. I think I'm good with it like that. Alright, I'm just going to really get it. Put it in motion. I don't know if you'll be able to see this as well as I'm hoping, but I'm just do a quick pan here. I'm hoping to find just a couple of specks, and that'll tell me to keep going. I'm hoping this works. I have no tripod. I have this thing balanced on one rock about 1 inch from the edge of falling in. So I'm hoping that it doesn't bite me for doing it. And I'm hoping you guys can see something. And I'm seeing a lot of black for that one little shovel. And there was a lot of clay, like I said. One happy kiddo, I can tell you that. We've been to 3 different rivers today, which I think might be a record for us as far as going to each one swimming. I didn't prospect all of them. I was kind of funked this morning, but I'm gonna get close to that a little bit so you guys can see this. Sometimes I see that and I wonder if that's just really tiny stuff, but I don't know. I'm hoping for, just a couple would make me want to keep going at that. Let's see if I can see anything. Ariana thinks this one has gold. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Hold it real still. Let's look in there. Ariana, if you come up with the only nugget today, I just can't even tell you. Jeremy wouldn't be able to contain his excitement. Whoa, what's that? Oh, maybe that's gold. I don't know. And then we have a almost dead, I don't know if you can see him over there. I'm going to try to zoom in. A almost dead Daryl dog who has been swimming at 3 different rivers. He's toast. And here comes the lunch crew. Yeah. Oh yeah. Super stoked. We're keeping it simple today. And if the Hit B Explorer is out there listening, this doesn't count. It only counts when I bring smoked stuff, and then we'll have to have a cook-off. But for now, we are, I think it's peanut butter and jelly today. Anyway, we'll catch you guys soon. I'm sitting here having lunch, and I'm on the inside bend. It's an inside bend. It's a 90-degree bend right here, and over here is a big lump of stump and tree. And hi, Ariana.
Hi.
Hi, Jacobs. Hi. And there's Obi. But look at this. It was stuck right there, and I'm thinking maybe I should dig in here a little ways around this corner or up in here. Anybody have any thoughts on that? All right. Anyway, hey, it's the Ugly Prospector. We are on our way home from a glorious 24-hour trip to White Mountain National Forest. Hey, it's the Ugly Prospector. We are on our way home after a nice weekend up north for up in the White Mountain National Forest for 4th of July. Got an old tent, and we made it work, and it was awesome. Today was an amazing day, and we went to 3 different rivers. We went to Little Larry Brook, so by her family camp, by Megan's family camp, and then we went to Upper Falls, just at the base of Mount Washington, another favorite place of mine, kind of my old stomping grounds. And then we went to Tunnel Brook, and that turned out to be a lot of fun. Found a little bit of gold, but more importantly, we had a great time. And anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that we were on our way home, and it was a lot of fun. We have traffic right now. Megan, if she wants to show.
Yeah.
This is what we have to look forward to. Let me grab this for a sec. I'm just going to show.
The line just keeps going.
It just keeps going. And we are at Petticook, Bosquen. So we've got a ways. We haven't even hit Concord, and we've still got to hit 89 and head our way. So
it might be a Pizza Hut on the way home.
Yeah, that sounds good. You know, there's a reason why I love her. Anyway, the Ugly Prospector out.